Well, you can get in there, Adam, and talk to her. Yeah. Hello, sweetie.
Seeing all these machines on her.
I know.
It's hard.
Mommy will be a little scared with this one, but she's doing just perfect. Yeah, there's a feet. Hello, sweetie. Hello, little sweetie. Yeah. Oh, you kick it. Yeah, you woke her up. That's okay. She can be a little bit awake. Hey, honey. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, got you're nice and pink. Look at those little cheeks. Look at those little cheeks. I don't feel that we're so... No.
We'll show Mommy when she comes in.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pumpkin?
Hi, honey bun. Yeah. You're having a nap, eh?
You like babies. You don't like making it easy, do you?
No. No. Here's your little tootsies. Yeah.